Criminal law. Indian criminal laws are divided into three major acts: Indian Penal Code, Code of Civil Procedure, and Indian Evidence Act. Beside this, major acts, special criminal laws are also passed by the Indian Parliament, that is NGPS, Prevention of Corruption Act, Food Adulteration Act, Dowry Prohibition Act, the Defence of India Act, etc. Thousands of minor laws are made in India. Criminal law in India means offences against the state. It includes felonies and misdemeanors. The standards of proof for crime is beyond a reasonable doubt. Criminal laws is governed by Indian Penal Code, CRPC, Evidence Act, etc. A body of rules and statutes that defines conduct prohibited by the government because it threatens the harms public safety and welfare there, and that establishes punishment to be imposed for the composition of such act. The term criminal law means crimes that may establish punishments. In contrast, criminal procedure describes the process through which the criminal laws are enforced. Criminal law and criminal procedure fall under the concurrent list, while matters relating to police and prisons fall under the state list. The law that governs criminal law in India are the Indian Penal Code 1860 IPC and the CRPC 1974. There exist specific courts for criminal trials too, held called session courts at the district level. India has adopted the adversarial system of legal procedure, wherein the judges act as a neutral party and the case is argued by the prosecutor suing the plaintiff and defense attorney who defends their plaintiff. One major distinction between India and other common law countries is that it does not follow the jury system. Difference between criminal law versus civil law. Crime generally represents conduct that causes a public harm to society as a whole and goes beyond injury to private parties. Criminal law differs from civil law in other aspects as well. For instance, a government lawyer brings criminal charges against the accused, usually on behalf of the states and federal government. In contrast, a private lawyer files a civil lawsuit to resolve a dispute between the private parties. Criminal charges or a conviction can result in imprisonment and fine, whereas a civil lawsuit typically results in payment of money, damages, and changes to the parties' legal status such as divorce and parenting rights, but not imprisonment. Thank you.